It's gonna stay there for a long time.
Pretty cool day here for Jonathan Kerfman up in Centralia, Washington, which is looks like maybe an hour or two south of Seattle area. So this is an 8-foot, 330-ton Fat Max machine. And like a lot of guys, you know, Jonathan was kind of limited on door opening size to get in a larger machine like this. And when I say larger, I mean it's, you know, it's an 8-footer, but it's 330 ton, and to get the higher tonnage, the machine ends up being 10 feet tall. So the only solution was to remove a roof panel, drop it in from the top, as you see it dropping in right here. And it was, you know, rainy, cloudy, like normal in that part of the country. So here was a few weeks earlier, Jonathan down in the Ramsey shop in Texas getting training on his machine, but only the 5-foot version of it, because that's what we had at the time he was available to come. On one end of it, or both ends of it. When we make a 90-degree bend, this is going to be way up in the air. So obviously slamming back down is an issue. So we have all these variables here that we can control with a very precise level of detail what's happening with the ram. So let's go ahead and bend this and watch the release. All right, well, you saw that, very smooth. Even though we made a mistake right here, we didn't have our support bars and our Allen screws locking this die in. So once the pressure was off of it, it kind of let it tilt. But just a good demonstration of not all press brakes are created equal. And all right, we'll wrap up the Jonathan Kerfman Fat Max video with just a little preview of this machine. Super cool. Pretty much optioned out with every option you can think of. This is a 5-foot, 88-ton, 8+1 axis, 3D press brake. So you can import 3D models from your Fusion or SolidWorks or whatever you have straight into this brake. It will automatically set up the part. It also has the laser check angle correction system, so this trolley will run along and laser check the angle real time and apply more correction and perfect the bend. Super cool. It's a very expensive option. It also has hydraulic tool clamping, so you can open and close the tooling here. You can see right now you can move the tooling, take it out, position it, and then now you can't. So bendforcebrakes.com. We got a lot of machines in stock. We got Fat Maxes over there like Jonathan's in 5 and 8. We got 10 and 13 arriving soon. So bendforcebrakes.com. Pricing, sizes, all listed out there. And all this is available for immediate shipment, including a sheer 10-foot, half-inch rated capacity.